What's up guys, I want to talk about Bitcoin. I'm looking at a extremely bullish signal right here. We can see that this is the 1-day chart. Okay, so we had this little bit of a down wedge, as you can see right here, and we got that good breakout right there. But now we're in this weird phase where we basically have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bottoms right here where we've tested support, and each time we've bounced off the support. And now that's happening again right here. We can see that we are bouncing off the support right here, and we might actually see a return of around 10% if we meet this. This is around 15%, yeah, 10%. So if we can bounce off this again for the 4th time and we go to that 10% mark, if you do this with a 10x leverage, you can make some good money. Now this is not financial advice, I'm not advising you to do this, but I do think this could be a really good entry to ride this 4th support bounce off. Because we can see that we have some really bad resistance right here. As you can see, we've got rejected 1, 2, 3 times right there, and for the 4th time we couldn't even make it up. So once we got there, but then we got rejected again. Okay, so now what I think is gonna happen is we're gonna bounce off, and then we might consolidate here, and then we might try and break through this resistance. I do think this is a really good entry though if you're playing with margin. So this could be a really good entry if you are looking for an entry on the 1-day chart for the swing trading strategy. So there's not financial advice, but I do think this could be a really good rebound from the bottom. So yeah, I just want to put that out there. If you're looking for a entry point for Bitcoin, this is a really good one to go for a long position. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video and make a new update on this. See ya.